In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching animated effect using CapCut. This simple tutorial will guide you through adding a spinning heart to your video content, a playful touch that can enhance the emotional impact of your project. Let's get started. First, you'll want to import your video clip into CapCut's timeline. Simply open CapCut and locate the Import button. This allows you to browse your computer for the video file you wish to edit. Once you've found the right file, select it, and it will be automatically inserted into the project's timeline. This is where all the magic happens, as the timeline is your workspace for editing. Next, it's time to add some visual flair by heading over to the Stickers tab. CapCut offers a wide array of options here, but today we're focusing on the heart sticker. Browse through the collection until you find it. Once selected, drag and drop the heart sticker onto your timeline above your video track. This sticker acts as the primary element of our animation. Now that we have our heart sticker in place, it's important to position it correctly. You'll want to grab the sticker and move it to the center of your video screen. This ensures that when it spins, it becomes a focal point that's aesthetically pleasing and draws viewers' attention effectively. With the heart positioned centrally, we can now add some animation. Look to the right panel of your CapCut interface, which provides options for adding keyframes. These are crucial for creating motion within your video. Find the option specifically for rotation and add keyframes. Start by marking the beginning of your animation with a keyframe. Slowly increase the rotation angle to introduce movement. Now let's bring your heart to life with a dynamic spin effect. As you proceed across the timeline, continue to increase the rotation angle incrementally. This creates the illusion of the heart spinning throughout your video's duration. Adjust the speed and angle to match the tempo and mood of your video, ensuring the animation feels natural and seamlessly integrated. To enhance this effect even further, you can add either a glow or shadow to your heart. This adds depth and drama, making your animation pop even more. Within CapCut, you'll find options to apply these effects to your sticker. Choose a glow if you're aiming for a dreamy, otherworldly effect, or select a shadow for a more grounded yet bold look. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to add a spinning heart animation to your videos using CapCut. This enriched visual element can make your content more engaging and emotive, making it perfect for a variety of video projects. Enjoy experimenting with these techniques and watch as your videos come to life with animated flair. Thanks for watching and happy editing.